And for our ads, we can also once more use Gemini. So 3 headlines, 30 chars max, and 2 descriptions. 90 chars max. Use keyword insertion. Actually, we'll do 3 descriptions. And 4 for 1 headline and 1 description. So keyword insertion, for anybody that's not familiar, is that basically in our ad, it'll start to show the actual keyword that we're bidding on, right? So if our keyword, if someone types in water mitigation into Google Ads, then it'll actually show water mitigation within our ad copy when they click on it. So here is our ad copy. We're going to copy that, paste it in. That's the first one, 24/7 emergency services. That might be a little confusing if they might think it's the cops. Fast certified services. Amazing. And then get a free quote now, right? So keep that in mind. Free quote usually not allowed by your affiliate network because it's going to get really cheap people, but get a fast quotes now. And then for our descriptions, we're going to take description 1. So need, and it's going to say 24/7 restoration company, or need and mold remediation, right? And then we're going to take the next one here. We're going to paste that in. And the final one, from burst pipes to smoke damage, we handle it all. We offer direct insurance billing. Amazing. Okay, cool. Now this part is obviously based on the affiliate network. I would assume if you're running national, if you're running nationwide, you should probably not include this, because then you're going to get a lot of people who just want repairs and they basically sue the insurance company. So people in the US they sue a lot. Right. And now let's go ahead and generate an image.